Privacy and tracking is important for anyone. To configure these for your interactive experience, go up to your page settings. The first tab you'll see is snippets. You can use this text area to add HTML to the header code. So if you, for example, need to introduce any third-party code not already integrated with the platform, this is the place to do so. In privacy, we'll start by looking at the cookie bar section. The first setting here, a cookie is set to recognize the user upon returning to an experience on your account. Though the cookie bar is not visible. Disabled no tracking only sets a session cookie, so no other tracking will be done. This means that every time a visitor would return, they would count as a new visitor. The basic option sets your page up with a simple cookie bar that displays a consent message for cookies. If a user declines, they won't be tracked, but if they accept, on the other hand, a cookie will be set so they'll be recognized in the future. Combined with others enables the same behavior as basic, but it also presents consents for GDPR compliance. You can find and customize these settings by going to your dashboard, going to audience and privacy. Here you'll also see the privacy settings like the title and the description. To display the privacy settings for your users, you can enable this under your privacy settings on your interactive experience. Alternatively, you can also enable this with actions. Last tab, security. Here you can quite simply enable or disable a content security policy. When enabled, you can then edit your different sources by clicking on the edit icon. Remember when you're done editing your page settings to always save your changes.